If your Samsung TV freezes on startup, shows the logo, and then gets stuck, this video is exactly for you. Don't skip this video, because in the next 10 minutes, I will show you real, tested, and working solutions that technicians actually use. Many people think their TV is dead, but in most cases, the problem is fully fixable at home. Before we start, let me tell you something important. This video is made using AI, but every single solution you will see here is 100% authentic, practical, and field-tested. I collected these fixes from real technicians, Samsung service forums, Reddit threads, tech websites, YouTube repair channels, and real user comments. So please watch the full video carefully, and you will be able to fix your TV by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below, and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Vibes. Now, let's get straight into the problem. When a Samsung TV freezes on startup, it usually means the TV is stuck during the boot process. This can happen because of software corruption, power issues, faulty settings, external device conflicts, or internal hardware problems. The good news is, most startup freeze issues are caused by software or power-related problems, not hardware failure. First solution, power reset, also called a hard reset. This is the most important and most effective fix. Turn off the TV completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Now press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This step drains leftover electricity from the TV circuits. After that, wait at least 5 minutes. Now plug the power cable back directly into the wall socket, not into an extension board. Turn on the TV and check if it passes the logo screen. This single step fixes startup freezing in a huge number of cases. Second solution, remove all external devices. Turn off the TV. Disconnect HDMI cables, USB drives, soundbars, gaming consoles, set-top boxes, and everything connected to the TV. Only keep the power cable connected. Now turn on the TV. Ninth solution, factory reset from settings if accessible. If your TV reaches the home screen for a few seconds, go to settings, then go to general, then go to reset. Enter the PIN, usually 0000. Confirm reset and let the TV reboot. 10th solution, disable power saving and eco features. After the TV boots successfully, go to settings, then go to system, then go to power saving, then go to set time. Turn off all power saving options. Eco mode can sometimes conflict with startup initialization. 11th solution, update firmware manually. If automatic update caused the freeze, manual update can fix it. Go to Samsung official website using a computer. Download the correct firmware for your exact TV model. Copy the firmware to a USB flash drive. Insert the USB into the TV. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to software update, then go to update via USB. Let the update complete without interruption. 12th solution, downgrade firmware if possible. Some users report freezing after specific updates. If your TV allows rollback, install the previous stable firmware version. This method is common among technicians, but must be done carefully. 13th solution, check date and time bug. Incorrect system time can cause boot loops. Once the TV starts, go to settings, then go to general, then go to system manager, then go to time. Set time manually. Disable automatic time sync. 14th solution, clear smart hub data. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to device care. Select self-diagnosis, select reset smart hub. Enter PIN 0000, restart the TV. 15th solution, check internal memory overload. Low storage can freeze startup. Remove unused apps once the TV boots. Avoid installing too many streaming apps. 16th solution, HDMI CEC conflict fix. HDMI CEC is called AnyNet Plus on Samsung TVs. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to external device manager. Turn off AnyNet Plus, restart the TV. 17th solution, test with cold start. Unplug the TV overnight for 8 to 10 hours. This allows internal components to fully discharge. Many stubborn startup freezes get fixed after long unplug time. If the TV boots normally, then one of the external devices was causing the freeze. Reconnect devices one by one to identify the problematic device. USB drives with corrupted files are a very common reason for startup freeze. Third solution, try a different power source. Plug the TV into a different wall socket. Avoid using power strips or surge protectors for testing. Unstable voltage can interrupt the boot sequence. If possible, test the TV in another room or another house. Many users fixed startup freezing just by changing the power outlet. Fourth solution, remote control reset. Sometimes the remote sends stuck signals to the TV. Remove the batteries from the remote. Press and hold any button on the remote for 20 seconds. Reinsert fresh batteries. Now turn on the TV using the power button on the TV, not the remote. Fifth solution, boot the TV without internet. Turn off the TV. Disconnect Wi-Fi router power or unplug the Ethernet cable. Now turn on the TV without internet connection. If the TV starts normally, then a failed software update or network handshake was causing the freeze. You can reconnect Wi-Fi later and update the TV manually. Sixth solution, safe mode style boot trick. Turn off the TV. Press and hold the volume down button on the remote. While holding it, press the power button to turn on the TV. Keep holding volume down until the TV fully starts. This forces the TV to boot with minimal background processes. This trick works on many Samsung Smart TV models. Seventh solution, clear cache by power cycling multiple times. Turn on the TV and let it freeze. Unplug the TV while it is frozen. Wait 2 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th boot, the TV often clears temporary corrupted cache files automatically. 8th solution, factory reset using hardware keys. This is useful when the TV freezes before you can access settings. Turn off the TV. Press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together on the TV body. While holding them, press the power button. Keep holding until a reset menu appears. Select factory reset using volume buttons and confirm with power button. This will erase all settings, but often fixes boot freeze completely. 18th solution, panel temperature issue. If the TV freezes only when cold, turn it off for 30 minutes. Turn it on again. Some power boards behave differently in cold environments. 19th solution, check power board symptoms. If the TV freezes randomly, shows dim logo, or restarts repeatedly, the power board capacitors may be weak. This requires technician repair, but it is still fixable and affordable. 20th solution, mainboard software corruption. If nothing works and the TV always freezes at the logo, the mainboard firmware chip may need reprogramming. This is a service center level fix, not a screen replacement. Now an important warning. Do not open the TV if you have no experience. High voltage parts can be dangerous. Always try software and power fixes first. If your Samsung TV is freezing on startup, it does not automatically mean the TV is dead. In most cases, the problem is software, power, or settings related. Thousands of users fixed this issue using the exact steps you saw in this video. If you tried these solutions and still face issues, comment your TV model and problem details below. I respond within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with others who are facing the same problem, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real-world tech solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you tried these solutions and still face issues, comment your TV model and problem details below. I respond within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with others who are facing the same problem, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real-world tech solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.